Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to save a music or audio on Instagram by iOS or iPhone. So here I already have my Instagram open on my device, and the things we're gonna do is looking for the music that you want to save. Sometimes I found a music that I want to save by like scrolling a reels, and then after like I found a good audio, and then okay, now we already found a good audio that we want to save here. So we just need to click here to show up the music or the audio, and after that, if you can see on the right upper side here, there is like a ribbon button. Just click it, and then if the ribbon button is fulfilling with a white color, or if you are in the white mode, it will be like fulfilling with the black color, then the audio is already saved. How we check it? We can check it by make the reels, and after that click and go into the audio, and after that go into the saved and import, and then here we already have the audio that we saved. And for the music, go to the music, and now we already have the music that we saved. We also can check it easily by go into the profile sections. We can go into the profile sections here, and then go into this three line, go into the saved, and now there is an audio collection that we saved before. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.